Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study computer science at home step by step. Start by defining clear, measurable goals and a repeatable weekly schedule you can stick to. Prioritize core fundamentals like algorithms, data structures, and discrete math before moving to advanced topics. Divide study sessions into focused blocks of coding, theory, and revision. Use checklists and brief weekly reviews to measure progress and refine your plan, so learning stays steady and motivating. Hands-on practice is the fastest route to understanding and retention. Start with short coding challenges and gradually increase project scope to integrate algorithms, data structures, and system design. Aim for readable code, use version control, and write brief notes about design decisions. Pair practice with intentional debugging and reflection after each session to identify gaps. Regular project work turns theory into skills and builds a portfolio you can show to others. Curate a small set of high-quality resources and stick with them while you master each topic. Combine a core textbook or course with targeted tutorials and hands-on exercises from coding platforms. Schedule time for reading, coding, and reviewing official documentation. Engage with communities or study partners to get feedback and stay accountable. Balance breadth and depth so you build strong foundations without getting distracted by too many sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.